Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to fix unable to load file Google Docs error. So guys, if you are using Chrome, Edge or any browser and you are facing this problem, so to resolve, open that browser. For example, if you are facing problem on Chrome, so three dot more tools and click on clear browsing data. Now here select time erase like all time and make sure you have the password for your site and like Facebook, YouTube, because once you clear browsing data, so you have to re-sign in on your accounts like Gmail, YouTube, or any another account. So select here all time, select browsing history and make sure you select cookies and other site data and select this box cached images and files. Then click on clear data. Just you have to click on clear data. Similar method you can use in Edge and you can clear browsing data for cookies and cached images and files. So this is the way guys you can fix and resolve unable to load file Google Docs on Chrome, Edge or any another browser. Thanks for watching and please comment this method work for you or not.